G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name. Welcome to this episode of the podcast. Nice to have you here. Hey, I do want to talk to you in this particular podcast or this video in relation to probably one of the biggest ice cream events that happens on the yearly calendar, and that is the National Ice Cream Retailers Association's annual trade show and convention. Now, I'm going to try and be a little bit unbiased here. I actually am the executive director of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. It's a non-profit that's basically been in existence 86 years this year, and our sole goal is to help people get in or grow their own ice cream businesses. Ice cream, yogurt, non-dairy, whatever you have, there's a lot of information there. Now, this year the event is between the 5th and the 7th of November. It's happening at the North Charleston Convention Center in Charleston, South Carolina. And today, being the 1st of July, is the first day that registration is open. So, look, what I would suggest you do is go to nicra.org, nicra.org, click on the convention tab, and kind of have a look at what we're doing there. A couple of big things that are happening this year. The show is bigger than it's ever been before. We've typically had about 40 to 48 booths of exhibitors, suppliers to the industry showing their new products, demonstrating products. This year there are 72 booths. We have ice cream competitions. We've got the annual scholarship, which we've given up to about $270,000 away to students, or I should say students and employees of NICRA-owned stores or NICRA member stores. There's just such a lot happening. Now, it is a convention, so a couple of things that you need to know is that it's a 3-day event that's chock-a-block with keynote addresses, with workshops, and the trade show that runs simultaneously. So you do need to be a member to come. There is non-member pricing, but I'll tell you that the non-member pricing is $200 more expensive than the member pricing, and an annual membership is $225, so why not become a member? Anyway, so the 3-day event goes from the Tuesday lunchtime to the Thursday evening, where we have our awards banquet. There'll be a band, a great celebration. All of our ice cream awards are given out, national awards are given out on that evening. It's just a great, great event. And look, I've been attending ice cream trade shows internationally for 15 years. And it's sorry to say, and it's kind of difficult to say, that many of the ice cream specific events that are happening in the United States are basically shrinking or going out of existence or changing their names to reach a much broader restaurant market. But the National Ice Cream Retailers Association event really is the only ice cream specific event, trade show / convention on the calendar. So today, 1st of July, you can go to the website, you can register. Now, if you feel as though, look, I don't have all that time, I just want to go for a single day, you do not have to be a member of the association to attend the single day trade show, and that is on the Wednesday of that week, the 6th of November. So you can just buy a single trade show ticket, come to the trade show for the day, meet all of the vendors, look at all of the different products, new products, trending products, and you're more than welcome to stay for the celebration that evening, which is our Supplier Party. So all the exhibitors put on a meal. In the exhibit room we have our Bryce Thompson Scholarship auction, which is a lot of fun and goes to a great cause. So again, just do yourself a favor and go to nicra.org. Another URL is icecreamusa.org. Check out the convention, see what we have to offer. The 2 big keynote speakers that we have amongst many, many presenters over the 3-day period. The first of which is Dr. Bob Roberts, famous for heading up the Penn State Food Science team and running both the Penn State Ice Cream Short Course and the Penn State 101 course, which are great courses in and of themselves. He's going to be speaking at the event, and our special keynote speaker is Tyler Malik of Salt and Straw, one of the founders of Salt and Straw on the West Coast, a huge powerhouse in flavor development and just what everything an ice cream business should be. So even if you just came and kind of got some points out of those 2 speakers, you'd be far ahead of the game. But again, so many workshops, opportunities to network with suppliers and existing store owners. It really is a must to go to. So again, NICRA.org, the link will be down here. Have a look at the convention. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can reach out to the NICRA office through that website, NICRA.org. And look, we would love to see you there. It's a great event, it's a fun event, it's a learning event. And look, if you want to go somewhere where you want to learn everything about the ice cream business, that really is one of the only events that you can go to on the calendar in the US. Hopefully we'll see you there. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.